Hi everyone! Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how to design and maintain a garden with pollinators like birds, bees, and butterflies in mind. Right now the pollinator landscape around my house is fairly new. When I moved in, I didn't have any gardens at all, only 4 large Eounymus, alatus, or burning bush shrubs. I removed them in 2018 because they're an invasive species in this area and replaced them with native pollinator-friendly plants including Hydrangea quercifolia, Oakleaf hydrangea, Rudbeckia little Susie, or black-eyed Susan, and Aster nova Anglia, or New England aster. These beautiful low-maintenance plants are powerhouses in the landscape. They provide us with beautiful flowers and are wonderful sources of nectar for bees and butterflies. The important things to remember when planning a garden for pollinators is to keep in mind bloom time. It's important to have something flowering 3 or even 4 seasons of the year. That way, critters will know that they can always stop by your garden for nectar. A few other wonderful pollinator plants include Monarda punctata or Beebalm, Pycnanthemum mudicum or mountain mint, and Echinacea purpurea or coneflower. Next, I like to stay away from chemicals like pesticides and herbicides. That ensures that your garden will be safe no matter who decides to visit. You can keep your beds weed-free by hand pulling and mulching. Finally, I like to leave my perennials standing year-round rather than to cut them back in the fall. And I always rake my leaves into my garden bed for the winter season. This provides wildlife with shelter during the cold months. There are some species of bees and butterflies that rely on leaf litter to overwinter. Then, in the spring, when the weather warms up, I rake out my beds and use the debris to start my compost bin for the year. Just with those few simple steps, you can ensure that your yard will be a haven for pollinators.